Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, date is 11 August 2021, and I am teaching you chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is An Ideal House. An Ideal House. Okay, so student, open page number, all of you open page number 36. Open page number 36. Question number 1. Why do we need food? So these are the two extra questions of chapter number 5. So first of all, we will write this question answer, and then we will complete the book exercises of chapter number 6, that is an ideal house. Okay, first of all, we write two question answers of chapter number 5. These are short questions. Okay, and after that we will complete the book exercises of chapter number 6. So first question is, why do we need food? Why do we need food? So see student, why do we need food? Because without food life is possible? No. See, our body is also a machine, but it is a living machine, so we need energy. Okay, so we need energy because we do lot of activities in our day-to-day life. Okay, our body is also like a machine, but it's a living machine, and we do lot of activities in our day-to-day life. And for these activities, from where we get the energy? So for this activity we get the energy by the food which we are eating. So food provides us energy to perform different activities which we do in our day-to-day life, and due to this there is a growth in our body also due to the food, and due to food our body is and due to food our body is fit and healthy, and due to food our body is fit and healthy. So note down the answer. All living things all living things all living things that is plants animals, human beings, need food to live. Food provide food provides us with energy. Food provides us with energy to work and play. It also help us to grow and stay healthy. So why do we need food, student? All living things, okay? Why do we need foods, student? So all living things, that is plants, all living things, that is plant, animal, human beings, need food to live. Food provide us with energy to work and play. It also help us to grow and stay healthy. You can take a screenshot. What happened to the food which is overcooked? What happens to the food what happens to the food which is what happened to the food which is overcooked? So student, what happened to the food which is overcooked? So if we overcooked the food, so such type of food lost its nutrient value. अगर बेटा आप लोग फूड को बहुत ज्यादा ओवरकुक्ड करते हो, ठीक है, तो फूड लॉस इट्स न्यूट्रेंट वैल्यू. इज इट क्लियर? फूड की जो न्यूट्रेंट वैल्यू है दैट इज लॉस. So what happened to the food which is overcooked? If the food is cooked, if the food is overcooked, if the food is overcooked, the food the food loses its if the food is overcooked, the food loses its nutritive value. So note down this answer from the board. Now we will start with the book exercises of chapter number 4, chapter number 6, an ideal house. So question number A, pick the correct answer. Pick the correct answer. So student, first 4 question we have already done. A house does not require pest. Okay. A house gets sunlight due to plenty of windows and open courtyard. The free flow of fresh air in the house is called ventilation. Fourth one, we should not keep dash uncovered in the house. Water, food, garbage, all these are right. So now student, fifth question. A house protects us from dash. Option number A, rough weather. B, wild animals. C, thieves. Fourth, all of these. So student, a house protect us from rough weather, second wild animals, third thieves, and fourth option is all of these. So C student, harsh weather, yes, this is true. In summer it protect us from the heat of the sun. At the time of rainy season it protect us from the rain, and in winter it protects us from the cool airs. So all option A and second is wild animals. Okay, the house also protect us from the wild animals also. Yes, this is also true. Next is thieves. So there are many things which are inside our house, and all things are kept safe, and even we are also safe inside our house. So thieves, it also protect us from thief. This is also a right option. So option number D, all of these, it means rough weather, wild animal, thieves. So all these points are right. Okay, all these points are right. Now let's start with question number B. Very small living things, very small living, very small living things called it, very small living things called it dash make us ill. See student, as you know that why all the time we always take care of our hygiene also, and we always keep our surroundings neat and clean. There is a proper disposals of a drainage and sewage water. Why all these things we follow? Because we know that there are germs present in our surroundings. Okay, and these germs are living organism. They are known as a microorganism. So, and another important point about this is that they are so small that we are unable to see them with our eyes. ठीक है, ये इतने छोटे होते हैं कि हम इनको अपनी आईज से नहीं देख सकते. So very small living things called it that make us ill. So that is known as germs. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म भी लिखोगे तो भी ये आंसर आपका राइट है, लेकिन उसकी स्पेलिंग बहुत बड़ी है इसलिए मैंने जर्म्स लिखवा दिया. कीटाणु जिन्हें कहते हैं. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, ये जो जर्म्स हैं आपके, ये लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है जिनको माइक्रो नाम दिया क्योंकि ये इतने छोटे हैं कि वी कैन नॉट सी देम विद आवर आईज. इनको देखने के लिए हमने माइक्रोस्कोप में इनकी स्टडी करनी पड़ती है. ठीक है. सो very small living things called it dash make us ill, that is the germs. Question number 1 था ये. Now question number 2. Cleanness is next to, cleanliness is next to cleanness is next to godliness. ठीक है. So we must keep our surrounding clean, our houses clean. Okay. अगर आपके सराउंडिंग्स में, आपके हाउस सब जगह क्लीननेस है तो ऐसा बोला जाता है कि जहां क्लीननेस होती है तो वहां भगवान का वास होता है. ठीक है. तो दैट इज द रीजन क्लीननेस इज नेक्स्ट टू गॉडलीनेस. Next is third one. We must keep we must keep dash covered. We must keep dash covered. So बेटा इस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स के ज्यादा आंसर्स भी हो सकते हैं, जैसे वी मस्ट कीप वाटर कवर्ड आप लिखोगे, देन इज राइट, देन आल्सो दिस आंसर इज राइट. वी मस्ट कीप फूड कवर्ड, then also your answer is right. And if you write garbage covered, then also the answer is right. Then also the answer is right. So you can write any answer in this fill in the blanks. We must keep dash covered, तो आप लिख लो water covered, because you always see that the water which your mother is using for the cooking purpose, or the water which is used for the drinking purpose, that water is always covered so that the germs do not enter in them. In the same manner, when your mother prepare the food, after preparing the food is covered so that the germs do not enter inside the food. And the garbage which is daily collected from the house, at the time when we clean the house, we should cover the dustbins, otherwise germs, due to this garbage, the germs will spread in your house. Next question is dash, question number 4, dash remove the waste water dash remove the waste water from the house. So I have already explained you that in our day-to-day activity we pollute lot of water. I have already explained you with the help of a small family. If there are 4 or 5 members in the family, student, you believe it, more than 500 liter water we are using in our day-to-day activities. Okay, so dash remove the waste water from the house. So how the waste water means the water which become polluted, so such type of a water can be out. So how this is possible? So waste water can be removed from the house due to the sewage. ठीक है, ये पाइपलाइंस होती हैं जिससे कि आपका जो वॉशरूम वाला टॉयलेट वाला जो वाटर होता है, इस पाइपलाइंस के थ्रू ये घर से क्या हो जाता है, आउट हो जाता है. ड्रेनेज भी आप लिख सकते हो, जो किचन से जो वाटर निकलता है, ठीक है, सो दैट वाटर इज आल्सो रिमूव फ्रॉम योर हाउस. ठीक है, सो डैश रिमूव द वेस्ट वाटर फ्रॉम द हाउस, सीवेज रिमूव द वेस्ट वाटर फ्रॉम द हाउस. So after completing the fill in the blanks of the chapter, Now we will discuss the true and false of this chapter. Question number C. Write the true or write the true or false. First one is the early man lived in boats. So the first question is the early man lived in dash. So student, where does the early man lived? So early man lived in the caves, and these caves are in the forest. अर्ली मैन बेटा कहाँ रहते थे पहले? अर्ली मैन गुफाओं में रहते थे, केव्स में, एंड दीज केव्स आर इन द फॉरेस्ट. अर्ली मैन डू नॉट लिव इन द बोट. सो दिस इज ए फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. We should clean our house regularly. We should clean our house regularly. So yes, this is the true statement. You have already observed that your mother daily clean the house, okay, so that you are fit and healthy. So this is the true statement. We should clean our house daily, okay. And in the activity also, I have already explained you that your mother sweep and mop the house regularly, remove all cobwebs regularly, and keep the garbage in covered dustbin. So this is a true statement. Next, we should mop and sweep the house every day. We should mop and sweep the house every day. So student, yes, this is a true statement. We have already discussed this when we are doing the activity of the chapter. And even you have observed that your mother daily sweep and mop the house regularly, so that their house is free from the germs. So that your house is free from the germs. Okay, so we should mop and sweep the house every day. Yes, this is the true statement. Thank you student. Now we will continue in the next video.